Hello there folks, Spike here in the Frugal Fixer shop, and yep, I do things just a little different. I've been playing with blocks today, well, making blocks. I made all the parts for my workbench, and I'm going to be putting that thing together, so follow along. I'll show you some of the footage from the day, what we got done, and tomorrow should be the day we finish this thing and have it up in the air. I guess I better get some casters ordered for it because I need something moving around. Because let me tell you, once I get it put together, I won't be moving it without them. Stay with me, let's watch this thing come together, guys. Y'all ready? Let's do it Frugal Fixer way. Okay guys, I'm still batching out parts on the radial arm saw, but I ran up on something when I was doing these two, and I wanted to show it to you and see what you see. This had red grape juice in it. 3/4 plywood. It's got a few stickers on it and some other stuff. But once you cut it up in 4-inch pieces and glue it together, it's going to be just fine. So these are leftovers from that level, but look how that looks when you sandwich it up together. When you sand it out, it's going to look pretty. It's going to look nice. We'll see. I'll show you. Okay, I made me a cut list in my phone here. I'm gonna tell you what, if I'd have done the kind of work I've done my whole life and had one of these things to make my life easy with taking pictures inside of cabinets of wiring diagrams and taking pictures of labels so I didn't have to climb in the cabinet and write it all down, I'd have been a whole lot more efficient. But hey, it's what it is. Life went by us. Anyway, I got the first 16 cut, I got the next 4. So let me see if I got anything else big I want to cut first. Let's cut I got 8 pieces, 31.5. I need to get those done. So why don't we get them done and get them off the list? So we're going to set this up for that, and we're going to cut 31.5. Okay? Let's go. Well, wait. Let me square the ends of these off perfect, and then we'll set that up. Okay. Don't worry about me and this saw. As long as my hand don't go where that cut place is, there's no way I can get cut. So if I'm holding it over here, I'm safe. And as far as the guard, well, it was gone when I got the saw. So don't give me a hard time about it, I'm sorry. Okay. Sides cut and ready to put together, and tomorrow I'll be gluing them up, putting this thing together, and I'll probably have a bench tomorrow evening. You want to see how it goes together? It goes together like Legos, okay? But you get to make your own pieces, so watch. Solid piece here across this end. When you move it out, you take that layer off. So let's take the whole layer off of it so you can see what's under, okay? So there's that layer. Now the next layer goes from the floor all the way to the top. It's got 2 pieces in here to branch it. And then over here, you got your feet for your little piece sticking out for your feet. So remove all that. We keep going down a layer. When we get to the bottom, we'll be right back to a layer like we started with on the top. So 4 layers, 2 on the outside are shaped like this. 2 on the inside are shaped to where they go all the way through like that, with a block on each end. Then they get a block here for the feet, block over there for the foot. That one goes in right there. There's your second layer. Repeat that layer, and then repeat the other one. It's easy as that. It's going to be tough. I mean, I know that for a fact. I already found that out. Hold on, let me try something. It's got too cold tonight to do any more gluing. So I'm going to take this tomorrow and run it through the saw and trim the edges off flush. But I laminated 4 pieces of 3/4 plywood together for this, and this will be the stretchers that go inside the bench like that. So there'll be one of these on this side, one of these on this side, and 4 stretchers tying it all together. And then I got a make me a way to get in here and put this and lock them two together to the other one. So we're moving right along on the workbench. Tomorrow should be the day that it gets finished. The way I put this together is I just put it together, or clamp it, hold it, shoot it with brad nails, and then move it into a pile and stack them up. We're fixing to see how much this bench costs to make, okay? So, and then over here, this will be my tabletop right here. It's 20 inches by 50 inches. I'm going to wrap the outside of it with some kind of hardwood. I don't know what yet. But to give you an idea how it's made as a torsion box. So you got 8 by 8 sections in it that are blocked off. So each one of these is locked in together, and all these pieces were cut at the same time. So we got that, and what we're going to do is we're going to put another layer MDF on top of that to get a nice smooth layer without any screw holes showing in it. Tomorrow will be another day, and tomorrow I'll get back out here and put these old earbuds in and go back to work and make something, you know. So you got to do what you got to do. So hey, tomorrow I'm going to run to Lowe's and pick up that MDF for the top and get that over here. So I'm thinking I'm going to add 2 layers to the top of that, so I'm going to have a 5.5 inch thick work table. So that ought to be solid enough. Hey, y'all be good, stay out of trouble, and hey, remember this, God loves you and so do I, and you can't take it with you. So what are you going to do? Build some guitars, buy some more tools, okay? Hey, enjoy life, have fun, see y'all in the next one. Later.